Hey everyone, so this short meditation is just a very short meditation to teach you how to train your mind. So the hardest part about doing this work is taking the theory into application. And can we focus our mind into thoughts that feel easy and peaceful and free? And if you think about it, in our background noise, if you have a relatively quiet room, you can hear background noise that either is like a buzzing sound from the hydro or the air conditioning or something. And even if there's noise around you, if you're working in a busy office, you can usually find that sound. So what I've done is I've downloaded an app with kind of an air conditioning sound in the background. I'm going to turn it on in just a second here. And we're going to work together at listening to the sound and feeling that vibration in the body. Again, the hardest part is keeping the mind focused on that sound and the feeling in our body. So let's give it a go here. Close your eyes. Just take a few breaths in and out. Soften your shoulders. Soften your jaw. And just begin to breathe. You can probably hear there's a gentle air conditioning sound in the background. Can you hear it? That's the sound from my app. But I guarantee you, wherever you live, there's a similar background noise sound that you can listen to. So with your eyes closed, see if you can focus solely on the sound. And be present to that. You have these senses of hearing and tasting and touching and smelling and so on. What if we use those senses to really focus for us? And as you focus with that low, slow flow of breath that we've talked about, and listen to the sound. Now listen to the sound and feel your body. Feel your heart, your solar plexus, your throat. And pretty soon, you may sense a piece of quiet or ease in your body. So breathe as you listen to that sound in the background. And just notice where your mind wants to go. That's the key. If the mind drifts away, go, oh cool, here we go drifting. Let's go back to the air conditioning. There you go, come back. And do you notice how part of your mind finds this boring? That part of your mind is so excited to just be present in the now. This is all about training yourself for one more breath, 2 more seconds, 5 more counts to be present in the now. So as a group, let's take a listen to that air conditioning or just the noise in the background where you're living right now. Can you hear it? Can you breathe with it? And can you just be with it? Good. And breathe. You're using your senses to bring yourself into the now. Listen to the air conditioning. Breathing. And being present. Just breathe. Listening. Perceiving. And being present. Try to sync your belly breathing now. Sound of the air conditioning. Sync it. There you go. What if the only thought you have is listening to this air conditioning sound? Can you notice how your mind is coming more into the now. It's a little less scattered, a little more present. And you're going to find, if you keep doing this with me, you're going to bring yourself into the now. This is a fantastic way to break momentum. And you can notice how now there may be a sense of ease or peace, or calm or connection. A place of flow in your body. This is what we're looking for, creating that new neural pathway. So as I wrap up this meditation, what I want you to do is pay attention to the sounds in the room you're in. Or download an app that tells you air conditioning sounds and so on. It's white noise apps. And you have the opportunity, maybe where you work or live, have them on the background. What would it be like if you just focused your mind here? I want you to try that and let me know how it goes. Ciao.